So guys, let's create this design together. So guys, as you can see, our nails is nicely prepped, and then we're going to be adding our base coat as usual. Okay, I always advise you guys to apply your base coat before applying your base color, okay, so that your application can be smooth. Okay, and this is what is given after curing for 60 seconds, and we are going to with this particular shade of nude color. So what we are going to be doing, guys, watch this video to the end, okay, and don't skip any part, because every step is detailed and very important. Okay, so yeah, you apply your nude color halfway, just the way I'm doing it. Guys, just pay attention to the video, okay? Yes, and then we're going to do that for all the fingers, and then we're going to dive over to the next step. So this is what is given after curing for 60 seconds, and then we're going to be applying our cat eye gel polish. Okay, so I'm going to be filling the remaining space. That's where I'm doing it now. Okay, you apply your cat eye gel and then use your magnet to to pop the design and push it to where you want it to be. Okay, so as you can see, the cat eye is activated. Okay, so we're going to do that for the rest of the fingers, and then we'll dive over to the next step. So this is what is given after curing for 60 seconds. As you can see, everything is coming together, everything is coming into place. Okay, so now we're going to be reapplying our nude color. Okay, and this time around we're going to be very careful. So apply the thumb area, which is what I'm doing. Okay, and then you make sure that you dry up the remaining gel from the brush, just the way I am doing it now. Yes, just the way I'm doing it now. As you can see, I removed the remaining gel from the brush and I blend it in. Okay, so if you're not too sure of yourself, you can use a separate brush, okay, to blend it in. Okay, but if you want to still use the same brush from the bottle, okay, make sure you dry it out. Okay, so you cut that for 60 seconds and we are doing the second finger now. As you can see, I'm applying it on the thumb area and then I'm clearing it out. Okay, you dry the gel from the brush. Guys, as like I'm not too great at voiceover, so just watch the video and understand. Okay, it's very detailed and very simple. Okay, so you can also save this video to always come back for it for later. Okay, yeah, and we did that for all the designs. Okay, as you can see, you first apply on the top area, on the thumb area. Yeah, you just apply it and then you dry the remaining brush off, the remaining gel off the brush. That's why I'm doing this now. Okay, and then you blend in, you blend the tips. Okay, the tips, you blend it down so that it can give you that ombre design. Very easy and very beautiful. And that is it, guys. That is a very good way to do your ombre design. There are so many ways to do ombre designs, which I've given you guys different detailed videos on this channel, so you can check our playlist to find your preferred videos. Okay, and if this is your first time coming across this channel, please subscribe to this channel. You subscribing is you telling YouTube to keep recommending this small channel to other viewers, and that's actually the only way you can actually encourage and support me. Subscription is free, it does not cost you anything. Rather, you are telling me go on, continue, and keep up the good work. And yes, guys, we drop videos twice every week, every Mondays and every Fridays. Okay, so let's turn on your post notifications so you can get notified whenever we upload a new video. For my returning subscribers, I thank you guys for always coming back to support me. Without you guys, I will not be encouraged to drop videos. Without you guys, there's no for this beauty world on this YouTube space. So always, I thank you for always coming back to support me. So guys, each fingers that I do, I cure it for 60 seconds before going over to the next finger. Okay, so this is how it is looking, and guys, you can see how the magnet is magneting. So guys, for this first finger, I choose to apply my matte gel. Okay, which is what I'm doing now. I cure it for 60 seconds. Okay, and then this is what is giving me after curing it. I was just testing to see the outcome between applying matte and just drawing the design without applying matte. So for this particular finger, I applied my matte gel and this is what is looking after drawing it. Okay, then I go with my black, with this design with my black gel polish. Okay, I cure it for 60 seconds, and for this second finger I chose not to apply the matte gel, okay, to see, if it's going to give me the same result. And yes guys, I think it actually gave me the same result, so there was no need for me applying matte. Okay, it actually gave me what I actually wanted. So for the rest of the fingers, I actually did it without applying my matte gel. Okay, so I actually showed you guys the two so that you can choose which one you want to go for. Okay, so this one is the one without the matte gel polish, and this one is the one with the matte gel. So yeah, so you can compare the two and choose the one you want to go for. As for me, for the rest of the videos, I chose not to apply the matte gel, and I just draw the design on it just like that. I cure it for 60 seconds, apply my top coat, and yes guys, we are done for today's tutorial video. So guys, we did the other hand off camera, we applied our top coat, and this is what is giving guys. Hope you've liked this video, hope you've subscribed, hope you've dropped your comment as I am speaking. Drop your comments and tell me your honest review. Okay, if you're going to be trying this design out as a nail tech, or you're going to be giving your nail tech to try the design out yourself. Alright guys, see you in our next video. Don't forget we drop videos twice every week. Okay, so turn on your post notification. Bye bye.